My name is Cem Asma. I work at Takeda in the global manufacturing organization, specifically in the Factory of the Future function. Together with my colleagues, our job is to make sure that our factories are ready for the future. I decided to attend AUTOMA Plus to learn about today and the future, because this is our job to prepare our factories for the future. What are the typical trends? What are my colleagues from the other industries and from other companies discussing about the new technologies that are coming up and the new ways of working? This is why I attended AUTOMA Plus. I think we are all very impatient. We want to adapt everything very quickly. We want to be already future ready for tomorrow, and at the same time, everything is changing very rapidly, so it's understandable. But still, we need to have a good grasp of what needs to be changed and how. We need to always start from our people and our data and then adopt the technologies. I think this is the biggest challenge. I really liked it, to be honest. It's much better than my expectations, having attended similar events. A very good balance of conversations from the industry experts coming together, plus new technologies, small and big companies presenting their solutions, ample time for everything. And on top, even the food is delicious.